Hi everyone, my name is CM Shumba. If you want to know Sungura music, or if you also want to play any Sungura bass lines, you should watch this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it quickly. But I will explain everything you want to know in the next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button.